Hi friends, this video shows how to check whether offer or discount available and order grocery items with 10% instant discount. Open Flipkart app, then tap on grocery tab on top right corner. Then tap on this button. I already added grocery items to cart. Tap on this button. So these are the items which I added to the cart. Here you can see the total amount 1983. Tap on place order, then select delivery address, then tap on continue. So here you can see list of carts which I added, but it's not showing any discount. There is no discount in these carts. Here you can see the total amount 1983. Let me go back. Let me add couple of new items and increase the total amount. So I am going to increase total amount to 2000. So now you can see the total amount. It shows 2049. Now let me tap on place order, then select delivery address, then tap on continue. So now under this ICICI bank credit card we can see the 10% instant discount. It says 2005 instant discount applied. This is a total amount. So we have to meet that criteria. First we have to check what should be the total amount to get 10% instant discount. In this case, total amount should be above 2000 to get 10% instant discount from ICICI bank credit card. So this way we can place order with discount.